So hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your lock screen in Redmi 14C device. So first of all guys, just comes to lock screen and then long press here. After that we have an option of a lock screen, so we have all these lock screen wallpapers like this. Okay, so I want to select this one. No, I want to select this one. Okay, so just tap here and then here we can change the font like this. This one is better, by the way. Okay, after that guys, we can change the color. This one is cool right now. Okay, and divider, like this dots. So just change the dots. I am changing it into red. No, not red. Okay, so we can also change it to a multicolor digit. So that's how we can change the clock style and font style in Redmi 14C lock screen. Just click done, and we can also crop it like this. Click apply, and that is it. As you guys see, the lock screen is now customized. So that's how guys we can customize our lock screen in Redmi 14C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.